Marigolds are bursting with these two vision superstars. Their nutrients can literally rebuild your eyes from within. That's because these two nutrients are built right into your eyes when you're born. These two nutrients are why you could easily see close up, far away, and at night when you were a kid. Your eyes were packed with two of these nutrients back then, but if you don't eat enough of them, these two nutrients drain away from your eyes over the years. The thing is, zeaxanthin doesn't work alone. There's the second superstar nutrient I mentioned earlier. The other nutrient in marigold flowers is lutein. These two superstars work together in perfect concert. Together, they can protect your delicate eyes from the UV light from the sun and other types of radiation by as much as 90%. Then it gets even better, because they can also stop vision loss. According to Harvard Medical School, people with the lowest levels of zeaxanthin and lutein in their eyes were significantly more likely to suffer from vision loss. And the risk of vision loss goes by a whopping 75% in those who have the lowest levels of these two vision superstars. In another study, researchers gave people with vision loss lutein as well as other vitamins and minerals or a placebo, and the results were jaw-dropping. Over 12 months, the macular density in the eyes of the people taking lutein increased dramatically. As a result, they had sharper vision.